Hi everyone, today we have a problem when we are given two strings. For example, in this case we are given sequence and the word, and then we need to find how many times word is repeated in the sequence. So for example, in this case, if we have in the first example, right, we have A, B, and the C, and our word is AB. So AB is repeated twice in the sequence we are returning to in this case. So let's take another example. We have this longer sequence and we have a word, three A's, B and A. It's repeated 5 times in the sequence, so we are returning 5. And in the third example, we have ABC and the word is Z. So Z is not part of the sequence, so we are just returning 0. So how are we going to solve this problem? The solution is pretty simple in our case in Java. So what we do is we are creating one variable count that we are going to return, and we are creating another variable repeated, which we are assigning a word, right? And we are checking that we are checking while repeated is part of the sequence, we are increasing word. So for example, in this case, let's take first example, right? AB, ABC and AB. So first we are assigning AB here to the repeated, and then we are increasing count. So in the first sequence, in the first iteration, we are checking that if that is part of the sequence. Yes, that is part of the sequence, so we are incrementing count, and then we are adding one more time. So we are adding AB and AB. Again, we are checking that if that is part of the sequence again. Yes, that is part of the sequence, we are increasing count. And when we try to do that third time, it's not part of the sequence, because now we have 3 ABs, which exceeds the amount of the ABs in the sequence, and we are returning count here.